good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
So today I have a killer cold, have my Beecham's, but we are a very late start. It is 11:30 and we're off to the Vineland Premium Outlets.
Come on, you two!
And the kids are misbehaving. Surprise, surprise. So yeah, booked our Uber and we're gonna go see what we can buy.
Wanna go like that?
Yeah.
So we start with Nike?
Yeah, and then Daddy would like to go on Nike. Oh, well, we'll bet looking there for you then, huh? Oh, no, let's have a look at Disney stuff. Oh, busy in here. We got out of here. $7.99. Okay, we haven't got much at the outlet centre, a bit expensive, but we have come from McDonald's. We've got to have a McDonald's in America. Thought we got away pretty unscathed and then we hit Adidas. Will hold up your bag. Trainers,
all kids stuff for school.
Yeah, that's right, yeah. So now we're heading back. A quick pit stop, now we're off to Animal Kingdom to see that at night time. We've just seen Kevin. Isn't she beautiful? We got here a bit late for the Lion King.
And we went absolutely the wrong way. It was supposed to be in Africa.
And we're in Dinosaur land, but we're going to go on Dinosaur and come back another day. No biggie. It's 10 minutes.
Is that the Jurassic Park roller coaster?
No, that's in Universal. Cool, isn't it?
Is that a real skeleton?
Hold that, somebody. For a second.
Still cold?
Yep.
Time travelers, place all loose items in the pouch in front of you.
Listen up. We've got to get in, grab the iguanodon, and get out before that asteroid hits. Let's roll!
Okay, what do you think?
I liked it. It was really good. I didn't like it that much because I didn't feel like it felt like it was kind of slow.
What did Daddy think?
Yeah, it was alright.
Glad you didn't wait more than 10 minutes for it?
Yeah.
No, you quite enjoyed it though?
Yeah.
Yeah, I quite enjoyed it, but I was scared. Are you looking forward to the ride, Brian?
Yeah.
Right, I go, you go. You excited?
It's Chester here, reminding you for your safety to stay seated with that seatbelt fastened.
You're gonna make this a bumpy ride, Ryan. We're going down, are we? Whoa. Is that good?
Yeah.
Did you make Daddy go up, down, up, down, up, down?
Yeah.
Enjoy that, Ryan?
Yeah.
It
Yeah.
wasn't as jolty as Aladdin.
No.
I liked it. And they didn't have the spray on the floor.
So was Aladdin better?
Yeah.
We're about to get drenched on the rapids. Queue time says 35 minutes. Obviously, kids have, oh look, they've gone, run on ahead.
Yeah.
They disappeared. It's you and me time!
Yeah. Love you.
Where are
I may be
they?
a pain in the bum, but you love me.
Oh, there they are. I do love you. He is a pain in the bottom.
Mummy, hold my sweaty hand.
Hey, we're gonna go like this. Here, I'm gonna get hit by the bus. Ugh. Man.
All you've done is win since you got on here.
Huh?
All you've done is win.
No, but I'm excited. I want to see if this can stay up. Elephant. Can I go to elephant? What's that? What's that, Mummy? Oh.
Right, let's do.
Oh, we're going.
Ooh, nice miss.
There's a dip coming up.
Oh. Very relaxing. I don't think I should have had my hair down today. Why does it have to be us?
Might not be when you go in.
No, it's definitely us.
You ready? Oh no. Oh no.
Come on. Me and Mummy are going to get soaked. They really made it so everybody got closer.
You right there?
Come on.
Oh no!
Why is it always us?
Oh no!
Don't squirt, spin us around. Oh,
Yeah.
Oh, we missed it! So it's one giant drop. Oh! I didn't expect that.
You wanted it to be longer, didn't you? Too short. Did you?
My glasses are soaking. Giant one.
You a bit wet?
No, I'm not a bit wet, I'm a lot wet.
I'm not a lot wet. I can actually bring my shorts out.
Oh, that is pretty wet. Mummy's, yeah, pretty wet.
You thought you were gonna get escape without getting wet?
I was hoping so.
Everybody gets wet.
Not this wet. We were right on the fall, weren't we?
Yeah. Me and my mum.
Go on Everest now. You're dry off. We're in Everest again. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. She cried last time, so this could be interesting.
Well, she's going with Daddy this time, to be fair.
No, she's going for Brian.
Oh. Oh no.
You're with me.
Make sure Mummy's in for the round of a laugh.
Straight on.
Bro, the lightning lane is off the way more. Look, you're coming on with the guy who talks about everything. Today, we're on an adventure to find Bigfoot. We're going.
You alright? Bang your head.
It's not worth it if it's not a head ball.
beginning, and we were going up, 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 up. My stomach went up, 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 up with it.
Did it?
Yeah.
But you didn't cry this time.
No.
Well done, good girl.
Yeti Sunday.
Yeti Sunday.
Sunday.
Was it good?
Yeah.
Or is it good? What is it?
There
Soft
is
serve?
chocolate in the bottom. There was like a huge like little swirl, but we baked it all down. We've gone like this.
You've enjoyed it, haven't you?
Like many.
Are you enjoying Animal Kingdom this time round?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're enjoying it a
we
lot more
didn't
today.
get round all the pier last time.
No. And Daddy, what beer are you on for?
Longboard.
We are going into Bugs Life.
Go on, Pete. 3/4, I'm right now. Just 3/4, I'm all right now.
What did you think of that?
That was the best one.
That was the best one.
Okay, I was terrified the spiders. I hid in Ryan's lap, didn't I? I was like, no, I don't like the spiders.
And it was actually there.
Do I like that though? That was fun.
Yeah, but the bugs went up our butthole.
That's the best 3D one we've been on.
Yeah.
And did you feel that?
Yeah, I felt the poke. That's the...
I didn't
You were
because I was
sat
leaning
forward.
forwards.
Oh, when those spiders came down from the ceiling, that was horrendous. I didn't like that at all. I'm glad we went on that. Right, we're off to Navi River journey. I have to say, going through Animal Kingdom at this time of night is lovely. It's cold. Well, not cold, but not roasting. Lower queue times. It's been a lovely evening. Glad we came.
I like the back stuff. I didn't really like
So we are 4 minutes in and we are at the front and we are going on.
Those are kind of dinosaurs from Jurassic Park. Are they going to spit asses at us? This is a bit of scene.
Bit of scene, is it?
Yeah. Since he does this, he's most likely to break.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. Best bit is
What
the
did you think?
animatronic.
It's alright.
It's alright. Glad you didn't wait 80 minutes?
Yeah.
See what Pandora is.
Right, well we loved this ride so much last time that we're just going to go for it. And if it's 65 minutes, it's 65 minutes. At least when we come out, everything will be dark and we get to see Animal Kingdom in the dark, which would be nice.
As we leave.
Yeah.
And now we can't get kicked out.
No. And this was your favourite ride. What
It
is
was.
your favourite ride so far?
Oh God. Incompatible. Please say I'm not a girl again.
Oh,
For
is
the-
that what you were last time?
What was he?
A girl.
A girl? What was
I like these things.
Soon, you're going to have a chance to undertake an amazing Navi rite of passage, flying on the back of this powerful animal called an Ikron, or as we call it, a Banshee. The way you're going to do this is by being matched to something called an avatar. And I'm here to help you guys get ready.
Like a Roblox.
But first, we have to scan you for Pandoran microparasites. Alright everyone, stay on your number and move your arms a bit. Okay, start scan.
Throughout this
Enjoy just
entire
as much?
experience, remain
it's-
seated.
Actually, I felt like a lot more spray this time versus the first time.
Yeah, I thought there was a lot more spray. Oh, I feel a bit travel sick because I had taken time. Have a good night. Did you enjoy it as much, Ryan?
Yeah?
Yeah? Dear?
Good. Amazing.
Another bonus, not that you can see me doing the ride then, is we get to come out and see everything at night time. Well, that was brilliant, well worth it, didn't we?
Yeah.
Pictures in front of the Tree of Life, which has made my day. And yeah, just catching the bus back and maybe have a drink in the bar when we get back, because it's our last night at French Quarters.
Yeah.
Do you enjoy that, kids?
Halfway
Yeah.
through our holiday.
Halfway through our holiday now.
Halfway?
Yep.
Exactly. It feels like it's been
Today
like
is it?
2.
Wednesday or Thursday?
It feels like it's been like 10. It feels like it's been like 20 days.
We better have a look in the shop before we go home. So it's the same as every other shop, but you never know. And then we go. Boozy Beignets. No, this is gonna get messy. You ready? Very nice.
It's good. Glad you ordered them. Live up to the hype. They live up to the hype.
So last night here, we decided to come down to the jazz bar. No jazz playing, but
Just
have a drink.
have a drink.
Yes.
So basically, when Phil goes for a wee tonight, anybody that goes in after won't have to turn the light on.
Cute, you moron. So we finished the vlog yesterday, but we had an amazing time at Animal Kingdom. So glad we went back. Then we had a nice drink at the bar, and then we packed. Now we're ready to leave French Quarters. So if you like this video, please do a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on your notifications, and we will see you next week.